Hello, welcome to part 5 of CLM service monitoring charts, alerts, and remediation. In today's topic, we will be discussing about charts. We'll be first viewing default charts and then looking at how we can customize these charts. As part of services in CLM, we provide two default charts, one for CPU and one for memory. Regardless of what is enabled on VMware, these two charts are available by default. One can add multiple other charts for storage, that is, read, write to the disk, and also for the network throughputs. Also, we define two different kind of charts. One are known as composite charts and other known as server charts. Composite charts are those defined on top of services, and server charts are those defined on top of a server. With this, I'll take you to the live demo of charts. Currently, I have logged into Cloud Lifecycle Management using End User. I have selected a service. On top of this, we have a panel that says Monitoring Charts. I'll click on the button Monitoring Charts. This will take me to a page that will display all the charts. As you can see, the page has following contents. It has name of the service, the server associated with the service, and on the right hand side it has two charts. One chart is about CPU utilization while the other chart is about memory utilization. These two are default charts that are available on all the. As we can see, there is a button that says Add Chart. We can click on Add Chart. It will show me something called as Composite Sensor, and on the right side there is time range and data interval. We can expand the composite interval. This will show me various kind of sensors that are attached to the. One can select this sensor and then add a time range of 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week or 2 weeks. Depending on that, the data interval will vary. Suppose for an example, I select CPU utilization and then average. Say I want data for last 1 week. When I select 1 week, the interval data points are 30 minutes. Suppose I select 1 hour, then it will show me actual value. That means for every minute in this hour, the chart will be displayed. I will go back to the charts. I'll cancel this and go back to the chart screen. This screen is displaying the graph that are for today, and currently it shows me the 1 hour data. Let us delete CPU utilization from here and go ahead and add a chart for CPU utilization, and then go for 1 day with 10 minutes interval. This will show me the graph for daily basis. One can see that it is showing me yesterday's data and today's data. We can zoom, refresh, or edit the chart values. We can also delete charts. Let us add back the default chart that was available. Next, I would like to explain something about composite charts and individual server charts. When a service is selected on the charts page, it will show as composite chart. When I say composite chart, it is cumulative of all the servers inside this service. Currently, there is only one server. If we had multiple servers, then the graph displayed here will have composite values. I can select this server and see the charts that are respective to this server alone. Similarly, if we have multiple servers, we can browse through all the servers and look at those graphs. Another important thing to note here is CLM will support all the graphs that are supported by VMware. If monitoring is not enabled on VMware side, then these graphs will not get displayed on CLM. Similarly, if the metric memory is not selected and only CPU is selected on VMware side, then only graph related to CPU will be generated. With this, we end the demo for charts. There is reference being mentioned here, which can be used for further details. Thank you.